Hello, welcome to my channel, Crafty Fox DIYs. This video is part of the What Would You Make Challenge. The hosts of the What Would You Make Challenge are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Christine from Divine Designs. This month's guest host is Kendra from Late Night Creations. I will have links to their channels as well as a link to the playlist so that you can get all kinds of What Would You Make DIY inspiration. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, for this craft I have this wooden fish. It did have a rope on it that went through the eye, and I took that off. And then I have this board and then this fishing net here. It's just for decoration. And now when I got this fish, I wasn't for sure what I was going to do with it. And then recently, Yetta from Craft Along with Jay made she had a mason jar from Dollar Tree, one of the sign ones. And she used hot glue to draw honeycomb on it. And so whenever I was going through my stuff to find projects to make, I came across this fish, and then I recalled that, and I was like, that's exactly what I'm going to do with this fish. So I'm using hot glue to draw on designs on the fish. That's all I'm doing here, just making my designs. I'm sorry, my camera's a little out of view here. I had turned it up for a project that I done before this and forgot to tilt it back down. Okay, now for the board, I'm not going to stain it or anything. I liked the look of this wood. It looks a little weathered, like it's been outside. And so I'm just going to leave it like it is. But I'm going to take the fishing net and I'm going to cut a piece of it to size. And I'm going to wrap it around and staple it onto the board. So once I get that cut off, and then I'm just going to take my staple gun. I'm going to lay the fishing net down, and then I'm going to put the board down. Then I'm going to take my staple gun and I'm going to staple the fishing net onto the board. I figured this would be the best way to make sure that it didn't come off of there. And I'll just fold up the back, and then I'm going to do the sides also and make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Okay, now I needed something to make a hanger, and I had this piece of wire. It's coated in something, but it's a thick wire. And so I'm going to put my fish on there, and I'm going to figure out how far up I want the hanger to come before I staple it down. And I'm just going to staple it once I figure it out. And I do it all the way up to the top so that way it won't flop forward whenever it's hanging. It won't flop forward too much. Okay, now my hot glue is dry. I'm going to paint my fish, and I'm just going to put daubs of colors. I'm using just some different colors here, some light blue, some orange, and then some dark blue. And I was going to add some gray to it, but I was out and I decided instead of mixing any, I was just going to go with these colors here. So I'm just taking my pouncer, and I'm just going up and down and kind of blending the colors together. Then I decide I want to add a little more blue because the orange is a little more prominent than I wanted it to be. So I'm just going to add both the light blue and the dark blue and pounce that, kind of blend it together a little bit, cover up a little more of that orange. And there it is. I think this turned out so nice. I like those colors together. Okay, now once I get my paint all dry, I did use my hairdryer to help speed up the process. And I'm going to figure out where I want to put my fish. And then once I do actually glue it on, I had it a little scooted too far to the left. But it's okay, I make it work anyway. So I'm just going to put some wood glue on there, and then I'm going to also put some hot glue on. Just using the hot glue to make sure that it stays on until that wood glue sets up, and I'll leave it overnight. So I will finish it tomorrow, which is going to seem like the same day to you, but you can see I've got it a little scooted too far over. Well, it's on the right hand side of the screen. Well, now it's on the left. See, it's a little further that way than I wanted it to be, but it'll work out. Okay, I forgot to hit record, y'all. So here's what I done. I added a little starfish and some leaves on the right hand side, and then some leaves and a sand dollar on the left hand side. But I'm not done embellishing, so I'm going to be adding some more on here. So I'm just going to determine, what I want to add and where I want to put it. Just, some more leaves, and then I find some other little greenery parts, stuff that I thought, could possibly be growing, at like, not necessarily in the water, but around the water. I only had just a few little cattails, and I thought about those, but I really liked them in the vase that they're in right now in my bathroom, so I decided to just leave those in there. But I may end up adding some to this eventually. I'll just have to buy some more because I don't want to take those out of the vase that they're in. I'm just going to hot glue these down behind those leaves there. Okay, and there it is. I just love how this turned out. I think it just turned out great. I love the colors of the fish and adding the starfish and the sand dollar. Okay, time for the final reveal. Okay, that's all for this video. Let me know what you think of my pretty little fish. Be sure to check the description box for the host channels as well as a link to the playlist, and go check out everybody's videos. I know you're going to get some great inspiration from those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.